object to make that object pop, to give that three-dimensional illusion. It's an illusion. It's a fascinating illusion, and I got into art because I wanted to have a deeper understanding of some of the underlying mechanisms that govern this phenomenon. You know, we know it's not a three-dimensional depiction, but it's creating an optical illusion. I wanted to understand the laws governing those factors and things like shades. And going to look at the ocean, you would notice that the ocean, if you have to replicate the ocean in art, you have to sort of look at the ocean not from a three-dimensional perspective that I am using right here, right? You have to cancel up, down, and you have to kind of look at things two-dimensionally. And when you look at things two-dimensionally, front, back, left, right, and you exclude up, down from the equation, and you look at the ocean from a two-dimensional perspective, you have to exclude up, down. You would notice that the light is really a byproduct of light and darkness mixture. It's light reflected on dark. I noticed that what's creating the reflection in the ocean is the light, the brightness compared to the lightness. And this is what creates an optical, and this is how you have to replicate this on a canvas. Yeah, so art is, and another fascinating phenomenon with art is I noticed that art it really enhances, you know, if you do the law of attraction or anything metaphysical, your mind and matter, substance and attribute, we can all create reality. What I've noticed is that when you're doing art, your visualization, the quality of your visualization, when you get into art, you will notice that the quality of your visualization it develops a level of clarity, and it becomes more potent. Because in the process of creating the art itself, you focus on the art. So you have this visualization. So your mind is keeping you intact with the visualization, and the art itself that you're creating is keeping you in touch with the visualization. So your focus, so there's an intensity. So your visualization develops a certain level of clarity. Hence the reason you notice when you get into art, you will find yourself, your ability to materialize reality, or your ability to manifest reality begins to increase exponentially. This exponential growth is a byproduct of how you are immersed into the art itself, because the art is like a ritual. It is a ritual. It's a ceremony, but it's an artistic ceremony. It's an artistic ceremony. You know, it's an artistic